Okay, in this video, I'm going to show how to download, install, and set up JavaFX in Eclipse 2023. The procedure is going to be multiple steps. The first, you need to download the JavaFX. The web address is called openjfx.io, and from download page, you actually reroute it into another web page. So based on your OS, you are going to select Windows. This is the current version, the 64-bit and SDK. Here is going to be what it looks like. So when you go to the Google search JavaFX download page, you are going to get this page. Here, scroll down a little bit. Here, the download page, and then you see rerouted to the another website. Scroll down a little bit. Here, the downloads. Based on your OS, for example, in our case, is a Windows. Windows, this is the version, and 64-bit SDK, and click this download. There are several other types. For example, GMOs. Here also has 86. So we are looking for the 64. Since current computer most likely is a 64. You click this download page, download, and then you're going to get a download file that is in your download directory. This is a zip file. Double click to unzip it, extract it. So after you extract it, copy this file. In my case, I put into the C programs Java. So I copy directly at here. So in that way, I see all my Java JDK stuff in the one location. That is my personal preference. But if you want to copy this place, you need to have system admin privilege. Since in the programs file, you need to have the system admin privilege to create a new file. If you're the normal user, they don't allow you to put anything at here. Okay, that is the first step. You download it, and then you can go ahead to install JavaFX plugins. That's going to be the Eclipse Help tab, Eclipse Marketplace, type FX for find, and then to install this EFX Eclipse 3.8. What is that? We are going to, this is Eclipse, go to Help, Eclipse Marketplace. In the search box, we type FX, click Go button. We are going to find this one, EFX Eclipse 3.8, and then install this one. This is status bar. Okay, that is the download procedure right now. Okay, you have to click this license agreement. Okay, where it is. Let's go back to here. I'm going to click this installed. Okay, still not finished yet. Recently, probably we need waiting for a while. Okay, here still running. Let's wait while it's going to show this install tab. Restart it, click to apply software update. Okay, restart it right now. Next step, we are going to create a new JavaFX project, test if it is wrong. Then we still need to add users library. So the total we need 7 steps. Okay, let's go back to Java Eclipse IDE, go to Eclipse Marketplace. Okay, from install tab, you see that here is already installed. Next, we are going to create a new JavaFX project. So let's go to File, New. You see here does not have JavaFX. You are going to click this one, Other. Other JavaFX. We are going to create a JavaFX project. Click Next. Give a name, JavaFX1. Use executable environment. Okay, the top one is executable Java ES 19. Nothing need to change. Click Next. We are going to do the library from the different procedures. So we basically create this one and then finished. You see we have this source folder and the main file, but here has a error message. Let's see what's problem. 2 errors. Or cannot build path error and Java library. So one is build path, another one is class path. Okay, so that is what we need going to do. After we create this one, we know how the error. So we need to create user library from window preference Java build path user library, and then create a new user library, add this jar file to the folder, which what is we download in the lib directory. So what we need go to window preference. Okay, so go to window preferences Java build path user library. So that is Java build path user library. Create a new user library and external jar, and select the JavaFX lib. So it's nothing here, so we click new, give a name, JavaFX 20, and then select it, add external jar. So let's make sure. So we're going to add external jar by select your newly download JavaFX lib directory. Okay, so we are going to jar. Okay, this is the place programs file JavaFX SDK 20 in the lib directory, all the jar here. So we select all this jar to open it, and then apply and close. Okay, not finished yet. That is, we continue to set user library. Right-click project, build path, add library, user library, select JavaFX. So we are going to right-click, build path, add library, user library, click next. Since we already had this one, make a check mark. Let's make sure. Right-click project, build path, add library, user library, select JavaFX. Okay, so we select that one, click finish. Step 6, configure the build path. Make sure JavaFX is under class path. If missing, select class path, add library, user library next, and configure the build path. So let's right-click, build path, configure build path, library. No jar in working with compatible with specified. So let's select this one. Select our JDK 20, and this error is gone. So let's apply and close. Here still have the error. Let's redo it. Right click, build path, config library. Previously we add the JavaFX into the class path. It does not working, so we remove that one. Add into the module. So add library, user library, and then click the JavaFX, and then apply and close. In this case, it is error is gone. So we still need one more to run configuration arguments. Here we need to add that arguments back to the Here, this is the JavaFX installation documentation. We need to copy this argument into here. Just matters the path is actually copy address C program JavaFX. Let's make sure. As JavaFX SDK20 library. Okay. So this is our path JavaFX. We need to delete this extra. Okay. Apply this one. Dependency. So we put the JavaFX in the module level. Okay. That's wrong. Okay, here this window came out. The trick is here, path config path documentation shows need to add user library and the class path, but actually the better to add into the module path. That is the result of our error. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much. See you next time.